Okay. Today should be the 10th of January. And the place is a mess. I'm recording this before Christmas. And yeah, we're just gonna clean up. I'm gonna take all the tools back to the yard. I want to organize the tanks mainly. It's gonna take the most time. I want to put them all up front through there, getting them out of the way, but ideally I do have to put them in order. So we're gonna move these tanks around first. I want to clean up all the tools and put them in the car, and I want to organize this little shelf and generally just clean up. So it'll just be a quick video basically to fill the week, you know, keep with the video schedule. So alright, let's just get this stuff out of the way. Alright. I don't really know what to do. That's exactly what I was planning on, yeah. Anyway, so I have a tank here. I think this black tank would look really nice up there. So let's do that. There you go, that's what I wanted. Now I can slip another tank underneath, and then I'm hoping one on each side. But that is not gonna work. These are unbelievably hard to move. Genuinely. Nice. Can you just levitate and go that way? These are so awkward. Yeah, that's my ankle. It just gets caught on the fucking end. You bitch. We're going this way. This isn't dangerous. So, I have two more tanks. What I've discovered is I don't know how to get it round the corner. That's a screw. And there's a frame that side. Double Now we're at a standstill. Well, that one's in there somehow. Now I just have to deal with that one. If I could get it in there, that would be great. We'll see how that goes. Alright, we made it. I hope I don't have to get into the front of the boat anymore, because it's a little bit filled up at the minute. So now we're on to everywhere else. Ignore that tank doesn't exist. It's not there. We have a ton more room here now. It's really nice. So I need to pack up some tools, hoover up a little bit, brush and whatnot, and then I have to get this out. That just fell off the side of the mast. I want to get another bag for all these bowls, and I want to clean this shelf off. Alright, we're pretty much cleaned up on there. So this sort of area is mostly done. So I'm going to take a couple bits out to the car just to free up some space. And then I'll probably get that gas bottle out next after these two boxes, because that one's going to be the hard one. Alright, we're getting there. Got a few more bits to take out. The heater, the fan, and the hoover when I'm done with it. That's about all I need to take with me. sweeped up, hoovered up as much as I can, or at least what I need to. We're getting there, it's looking a lot better. I'm happy with it. Got 4 drip buckets, I got 1 little one there and 3 there. Tanks are stacked away. We cleaned up a little bit, it's just more organized generally. I really like not having the tanks there. It's really opened up that whole space, the whole area in here generally. I like it a lot. So I think that leaves taking everything to the car and fucking off home, I think. Alright, we got everything, I think. It's a bunch of shit, but I don't want to leave it here while I'm gone for a bit, so. Alright. We're cleaned up, we're done. Going for the holidays. Be safe, boat. Don't die. Don't leak too much. Probably come back to full buckets of water or something stupid. Like I said, this is uploaded later, but all good. I hope everyone had a good holiday, good Christmas, good whatever you celebrate. See you next week.